users are sorted. You have Apple smartwatches. But what if you're an Android user and you are looking for a smartwatch? What options do you have? Samsung or these Chinese smartwatches that barely work for 2 months? Well, I have a solution for you. Google, the tech giant, is coming up with its next generation smartwatch, the Google Pixel Watch 2. This watch is set to give Samsung and Apple a tough competition. So let's get into the video and know more about this particular watch. Today, we are thrilled to unveil the much anticipated successor to the Google Pixel Watch, the Pixel Watch 2. As the successor to the first generation Pixel Watch released in October 2022, the Pixel Watch 2 promises to elevate the smartwatch experience to a whole new level. The first Pixel Watch wowed users with its 1.2-inch AMOLED touch display featuring 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Powered by an Exynos 9110 SoC, it offered seamless performance, and let's not forget the convenience of up to 24 hours of battery life. But the Pixel Watch 2 is all set to take things further. According to a recent report from Android Authority, the new Pixel Watch 2 is codenamed EOS for its LTE variant and Aurora for its exclusive Wi-Fi version. It's expected to launch in 3 different models with model numbers G4 TSL, GC3 G8 and GD2 WT. And yes, we have some exciting news for our Indian viewers, as it seems the watch will be launched in India too. The beating heart of the Pixel Watch 2 will be the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 SoC, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's in-house Exynos chipset. Built on the cutting-edge Samsung 4nm process, this new chip will bring enhanced efficiency and performance to the table. Speaking of performance, the Pixel Watch 2's battery life is expected to see a boost. With a slightly larger 306 mAh battery, it boasts a notable 4% improvement over the previous model. This means more time on your wrist and less time hunting for a charging cable. The Pixel Watch 2 will continue to charm us with its elegant 1.2-inch round OLED display, featuring a resolution of 384 x 384 pixels. While maintaining its iconic design, it is said that Google plans to source these screens from Samsung Display, ensuring a top-notch visual experience. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Pixel Watch 2 is anticipated to include the latest ultra-wideband technology alongside Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC. UWB enables seamless data transfer across short distances, taking smartwatch connectivity to new heights. Google has some exciting plans in store for the Find My Device network. Picture this: using your Pixel Watch 2, you'll be able to find your other devices, just like Apple's AirTag. It could be a digital car key or a media playback alternative for your Pixel tablet or Google Nest device. And there's more. The Pixel Watch 2 will run on the latest Wear OS 4 based on Android 13, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience right out of the box. There you have it, folks. The Google Pixel Watch 2 is shaping up to be an incredible smartwatch, taking everything we loved about the first generation model and adding some exciting new features. With its upgraded SoC, improved battery life and cutting-edge connectivity options, this wearable is sure to be a hit in the tech world. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching.